Looking for the best trampoline ladders? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 trampoline ladders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Skywalker Trampolines 3-Rung Ladder Accessory Kit. Designed with heavy-duty galvanized steel and is easy to use. Includes stakes for helping to hold your trampoline to the ground. Comes with a bag for shoes. This ladder comes as a part of an accessory kit that will give your trampoline a nice upgrade. Shoes are recommended when climbing ladder. At number 2. Gardenature 2-Step Wide Step Ladder. Made of sturdy, rust-resistant material. Can accommodate all trampoline sizes. Easy to use. Can hold up to 250 pounds. This brand stands behind their products. This less expensive option is a great choice for a strong ladder people of all ages can easily climb and enjoy. Some noted difficult assembly. At number 1. N1 Fit 3-Step Wide Universal Trampoline Ladder. Designed with durable and rust-resistant galvanized steel. Steps are made with heavy-duty plastic. Weather-resistant and heat-resistant. Assembly tools included. Popular model built to withstand weather and heat and can fit most round and rectangular trampolines. Not suited for users over 200 pounds. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.